At the Bombay Bread Bar, we do fun takes on a lot of dishes from a lot of parts of the country. Every time a guest enters my restaurant, I want them to feel that they're going to an Indian home. I want them to enjoy the food that I enjoyed, that my friends enjoyed growing up. The vibrant flavors, the vibrant spices, the fresh ingredients. I will be making Matar Paneer bhurji today, which is a stir fry of soft paneer, peas, and a masala of onions, ginger, garlic, chilies, cumin, and tomatoes. For the masala, I start off with a pan with canola oil and mustard seeds, and I pop the mustard seeds almost like popcorn because that's where it releases all the flavor. Then I add onions and I cook them down until they lightly caramelize. Once that happens, then I add the ginger and garlic, which has been freshly minced, and then I cook that out for 3 to 4 minutes. Then add the spices, which are turmeric, cumin, and cayenne. And you can add as much or as little cayenne as you possibly want. You know, I like mine a little spicier, so add a little bit more. Once I bring that all together, I add the tomatoes and I cook that down until it becomes almost like a paste or masala. A masala is a mix. The other thing I do then is I make the paneer. So I make my paneer with organic milk because I believe that it's raised better and I like to do what's right by the environment. I bring the milk up to a boil very, very slowly, taking care that it doesn't scorch. And once it's almost up to a boil, I add fresh lime juice into the organic milk. Let the milk slowly break down into its curd. Once that happens, I add ice to it because I don't want the cheese to continue cooking and get hard. The trick for me is to make it nice and soft and creamy. I cool it down, I drain it in a cheesecloth. Then when I want to bring the dish together, I heat the masala paste back up again. Then I added some chili because I think using fresh chili brings a little bit of change in texture and flavor, and you don't know what it is when you're eating all these things. Add the paneer in, fold it all together. Add fresh mint and cilantro and serve it. I enjoy the whole process of putting my soul into the dish, and I use that to tell stories to my kids about the culture, because when you tell these stories of how your grandparents ate, you understand and respect the ingredient even more. I love eating the paneer bhurji with a French slice of bread or a piece of baguette, but you can also eat it with a roti or a naan or a pita bread, which would work really, really well. It has everything I want in this. It's got the paneer, it's got the ginger, the chilies, the cumin, mint and cilantro with the tomato. Just makes it so refreshing and so delicious, and this is something that I love to eat all the time.